With every hunt comes a story. A couple years ago, I was fortunate enough to get a Maine Grand Slam, which consisted of a bear, a moose, a deer, and a turkey. Although it was a great accomplishment, I came home disappointed without any video footage. My uncle just so happened to draw a moose tag last year, and I wanted to tag along and capture his hunts to make them last a lifetime.
Good job, Pete.
Unfortunately, Peter only had one day to turkey hunt and had to harvest a nice jay.
Man, that worked out perfect.
Next up on the Grand Slam's the bear. It's one of our family's favorite things to do together. Sometimes we have 3 generations on the stand, and it's a great time to get out in the outdoors and enjoy some family quality time. Every year, bear season starts a few days before the school year does. Join Sammy and Parker as they tag along with Dad. No, not the little one, that's a suction cup bow. But his sister Sammy's hunting with a CVA and she's ready to rock. Unfortunately, Sammy went home empty-handed, but that left Peter a few days to get in the stand himself. As you can tell, this is a very mature bear. Unfortunately, there was one limb that stopped Peter from drawing back and taking this mature bear. As this bear exited, our hearts sank. This bear made a second appearance just 10 minutes before legal, and Peter knew he had to take the shot.
That's where it was. Oh, nice. Short little legs. Chasing a beautiful hide. Gosh.
Next up on the Grand Slam's the moose. My uncle's a registered Maine guide and has a passion for moose hunting. He's guided over 30 bull kills in the state, and it just so happens that we hunt out of the same cabin during the bear season. It's like a multi-purpose deal. When we're bear hunting up there, we're scouting for moose, and it pays off, as you'll see in a minute.
Buttons in the same place as the old camera, hopefully.
We're ready. Moose season. Good luck.
Let's go in this.
The September moose season generally brings the best rutting activity. Unfortunately, it also comes with warm weather and wet, rainy conditions. The warmer weather usually keeps the bigger bulls bedded down during the day, but it certainly doesn't stop the smaller ones.
What you got to shit?
As Peter approaches on this bull, it finally slips out of bow range and he has to make the decision to switch to the rifle.
Got him. Holy cow.
And the last leg on the Grand Slam's the deer, and you're not going to believe what you see. Peter was hunting during the rut. Although he was seeing a lot of buck activity, he was holding out for that big one. As Peter spots this big buck, he gets himself in position and gets ready to take the shot.
Oh my God, Pete.
We just shot a cranker. Oh, that's the biggest buck I've ever killed. Oh my gosh. Oh man, this is the buck we just hammered and laid him down.
Unfortunately, Pete was unsuccessful on his Grand Slam, because that buck was killed in Illinois. But it just so happened to be a 186 class buck, his best yet. Every hunt has a story. We hope you enjoyed watching ours.
Very good.
Good enough.
You got it.